Hi, I'm Mark Mancini with VRBOutstanding, coming to you with a VRBOutstanding micro tip of the week. So another feature, not an amenity, a feature that I think should be required at all homes is a grill. You can do propane or charcoal. I prefer propane, especially if it's readily available. In some places, if it's not, you'll have to go with charcoal. If you go with a charcoal grill though, I strongly recommend you supply at least a starter set of charcoal for guests so they don't have to go to the store themselves. With the propane tanks, we always have a full one in the grill itself, but depending on the size of the property, we either have one or two propane tanks that are extra. Here at the Oasis, we have two spare ones for a total of three. At Heart of Marauder, we've got a total of two. We have one spare. Around here, CVS does a propane tank exchange as well as all the gas stations. It's about 20 bucks or so. And so we put that on our Nix Play device that you can get the propane tank exchanged right across the street very easily in case you run out. But we're down here a couple times a year. Whenever they're empty, we go ahead and simply refill them so the guest doesn't have to. When you have an outdoor grill, a couple things to consider. You want to have all of your cooking tools, including a cleaner like this that's very, very sturdy. I got this one, I believe, at Amazon. This, unlike the ones you get at Home Depot, which kind of break after, or fray even, after about, I don't know, a couple months, this thing will last you all season then. So very sturdy, and it cleans the grill really well. You also want to have a spatula and tongs as well, maybe a fork. But your cleaning crew is going to want to clean this. You're going to want your cleaning crew to clean this every week. When I say clean it every week, I've been using this now for about a month. So you've got some stains over here from some things. The grill's not in its best of shape. What they'll do, and these women are great, and that's why you pay them whatever they ask because they're great, right? Is they go ahead and take everything out of here and they scrub them and it looks like a brand new grill again. Another VRB Outstanding secret for you is I go to Home Depot, I spend about 300 bucks on the grill, and for about 25 or 30 bucks they have a 2-year warranty. And don't you know, I take advantage of that warranty. The salt air destroys it, but the good thing is I'm covered. I know for 2 years, for 330 bucks, I'm good to go. So again, the cleaning staff should clean this after every single guest. It should look like a new grill. It shouldn't look like this. And you don't have to get elaborate with the grill. That's really about all you need. 4 burners. This one actually has a stovetop, so to speak, but really, I don't think anyone really uses it. They're just looking to grill. Now, after my girls, ladies, clean the grill, over here we always have a grill cover to put on afterward. And the grill should always be covered. This way it protects it, and it looks good. It looks finished, looks clean, and so when people arrive, they know that it's in good shape. They're going to open it up and they see it, everything's clean, that they feel okay putting their food on it. And a grill is something, who doesn't like to grill? It's every guy's dream. So you want to have this on vacation. I kind of situate the grill like this because when I grill, I'm going to look over and see the ocean over here. And that's something that one of the benefits of being by the water is that you can grill and have a great background. And then over here, we've got some rocking chairs where whoever's not grilling could have a drink, relax, and just enjoy the view while we grill. And that's one of the features I suggest you have at all of your vacation rentals.